If you love cats, psychology says it reveals something unique about how your mind works. Cat lovers aren't just people who like animals. They are deep thinkers, independent souls who find peace in quiet moments. Unlike dogs, cats don't beg for love, they choose it. And that's why people who adore cats often value freedom, emotional space, and respect. They don't need constant attention. They crave real connection. Research shows that cat lovers are often more creative, open-minded, and comfortable being alone. That alone time isn't loneliness. It's where ideas grow and the soul resets when a cat curls up beside you. It releases oxytocin, the same hormone that bonds humans. But because cats give affection slowly, that bond feels earned and powerful. That's why cat lovers often understand trust and patience better than anyone else. If you love cats, it says something beautiful about you. Your heart values calm over chaos, depth over drama, and truth over noise. Follow for more psychology insights. Comment, "I love cats," if this sounds like you, and thanks for every like.
Ay, Meow, saan ka ba galing, Meow? Ang dungis-dungis mo naman, Meow. Okay ka lang, Meow? Meow, how are you, Meow? Itong pusa na to guys, nasa labas lang siya. Pero dinadalaw niya ako palagi. Ayun guys, ngayon ko lang napansin na may butas pala ang likod niya guys. O, tignan niyo, parang may butas. Kawawa naman. Madungis siya guys. Pero ang cute-cute pa rin niya. May papakita pa akong sa yung isang video guys. Sinasalubong na naman ako. Galing ako ng trabaho nito. Dalawa ang sumalubong sa akin. Sama kayo na. Uy, bakit buntis ka na? Bakit ka buntis, Meow? Uy! Ay, huwag kayong mag-away. Kayo ba? Shock na lang sa inyo. Huwag kayong mag-away. Huh?